Imagine a world where technology isn't just about screens or devices, but about an immersive, interactive experience. Welcome to the world of Apple Vision Pro. This isn't just another gadget. It's a revolution, a game changer in the tech industry. It's time to elevate your expectations and prepare to be wowed by the groundbreaking features of this remarkable creation. But let's not spill all the beans just yet. The magic of the Apple Vision Pro deserves a detailed exploration. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the world of Apple Vision Pro. Now let's peel back the curtain and reveal the magic that is the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is a symphony of cutting-edge features, each playing its part to create a user experience that's nothing short of extraordinary. Take its display technology, for instance. It's not just impressive, it's groundbreaking. With the introduction of quantum dot technology, the Vision Pro delivers vibrant, lifelike colors and unprecedented clarity. It's like having a cinema in the palm of your hand. Next up, we have the advanced user interface. The Vision Pro redefines the way we interact with our devices. With its intuitive touch controls and voice-activated assistance, the Vision Pro ensures that you're always just a swipe or a command away from what you need. But what's a great display and an advanced user interface without a powerful processor? The Vision Pro houses Apple's most powerful chip yet. It's not just faster, it's smarter. It allows for seamless multitasking, faster app launches, and an overall smoother user experience. Now let's talk about the augmented reality capabilities. With the Vision Pro, you're not just observing the world, you're interacting with it. Imagine pointing your device at a historical monument and having all of its history displayed right before your eyes. That's the power of Apple Vision Pro. But the list doesn't end here. There's more to explore about the Apple Vision Pro. It's time to step into the future with the Apple Vision Pro's augmented reality capabilities. Imagine a world where your physical and digital experiences merge, creating an extraordinary enhanced reality. That's precisely what the Apple Vision Pro delivers. Its augmented reality feature is not merely a tool, but a portal, a gateway to a realm where technology complements reality rather than replacing it. Let's delve into how this feature enhances the user experience. Picture yourself exploring an unfamiliar city. Instead of constantly referring to your screen for directions, the Apple Vision Pro overlays digital directions onto the real world. It's as if you're living inside the map itself. Now, isn't that a game changer? But it's not just about navigation. Augmented reality also has practical applications that extend far beyond this. Imagine interior decorators visualizing different furniture arrangements in a room, or students learning about the solar system by viewing planets in 3D right in their classroom. The possibilities are endless, and the Apple Vision Pro is leading the charge. This is what sets the Apple Vision Pro apart from other gadgets in the market. It's not just about providing a service or fulfilling a need, it's about transforming the way we interact with the world around us. It's about taking the user experience to a whole new level, a level that was once the stuff of science fiction. With the Apple Vision Pro, the line between reality and technology blurs, creating a truly immersive experience. The Apple Vision Pro isn't just a gadget, it's a revolution in the world of technology. It's an amalgamation of cutting-edge features that serve to enhance your everyday life in ways you could only imagine. Let's take a moment to reflect upon the key features we've discussed. Firstly, the sleek design of the Apple Vision Pro is a testament to Apple's commitment to elegance and sophistication. The lightweight frame and comfortable fit ensure that you can wear this device for extended periods without any discomfort. Next, the impressive display quality. With a high resolution and an expansive field of view, the Apple Vision Pro offers an immersive visual experience that brings your virtual world to life. Then, there's the powerful processor. It's capable of handling complex tasks with ease, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted augmented reality experiences. This is complemented by an exceptional battery life that ensures you can use the device all day long without needing to recharge. The Apple Vision Pro also boasts advanced sensors and cameras that provide accurate tracking and mapping of your environment. This is what makes the augmented reality experience so realistic and engaging. And let's not forget the intuitive controls. The device responds to voice commands, gestures, and even eye movements, making it incredibly user-friendly. The Apple Vision Pro is here to redefine your perception of technology, making it more interactive, immersive, and intuitive than ever before.